Hello. It's been a while, right? Okay, good to see you. We'll go straight to what we have to do this afternoon. Okay, now we're looking at greater than, less than, greater, less than. Okay, now this is a refresher topic. So it's just to remind us and make us more sure of what we know already, or what you know already. Now, this is the sign for greater than. It's this way. And this is the sign for less than. It's this way. Okay? Now, I'm going to just take us through two ways you know it. Okay? One is to go with, let's pick our hands. Okay? You know how to salute, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you salute with your left hand, you salute with your right hand. Now, this is it. Now, greater than, when you want to go with the greater than, and you're facing, let's assume you're facing your book, okay, or the board, your greater than is actually when you salute with your right hand. Okay? When you salute with your right hand, that is greater than. Okay, now how can you tell? Sometimes, what's your right hand? I presume you write with your right hand. I presume you write with your right hand. So your hand that you write with, which hand do you write with? If it's your right hand, then that's your right hand. Okay, so when you go this way and you salute with your right hand, that is greater than. But when you salute with your left hand is the one you do not write with. Well, I write with my left, so that will be my dominant hand. So my left hand, when you salute with your left hand, that is less than. Right hand, greater. Left hand, less. Right hand, greater. Left hand, less. Okay? I hope that makes sense. Okay? So that's one way you can do it. So when you want to go, someone else says, maybe you're given a sum now. 110, and it's a box here, and you have 106. And they say put either greater than or less than. Then you look at it, that 110 is, bigger, right? Bigger or greater than 106, right? And I remember, now since it's bigger, greater is bigger, less is smaller. Okay, so 110 is bigger than 106, so it's greater. And remember, greater is what hand? Yes, right hand. Right hand. So you just go, okay, so this is my right hand facing your book or facing the board. So, right hand. So this is the way, this way. Greater. Yes. So you see, now if I give another one, I could go 26 and I have 29. And you go, okay, is 26 bigger than 29, or is 26 smaller than 29? And so 26 is smaller, 29 is bigger. So 26 is smaller than 29. Now, this in relation to this, that's what we're talking about. This is smaller or bigger than this. This is smaller, so it's going to be less. Less is smaller, right? Good. So 26 is less than. Now remember, less is what hand again? Left hand salute. Left hand salute. Yeah. And you said, my left hand salute is this way. So that's good. So I'm going to go left hand salute. Left hand salute. And that's it. 26 is less than 29. Okay? Now, let's do another way that you can know. Okay? So you won't be confused. I call it Mr. Crocodile. Now, let's just give our guys some teeth. Now, this is it. The crocodile goes after the bigger number. The crocodile loves to gobble up the bigger number. Okay? So, for example, if I have 102 and I have my bucks and I have 101. And I was like, okay, 102 and 101. Which is greater? So definitely 102 is greater than 101. Or if you're not sure, just find out what's the bigger number. The bigger number is 102. And the crocodile loves the bigger number. Yeah. And he goes, okay, crocodile, get ready to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Sorry. Okay, so definitely, and when you look at this, this is my right hand salute. 102 is greater than 101. Okay, let's look at this one. And you have this, and you have 39, and you have 42. Okay, so let's look at this. 39 and 42, which is the bigger number? 30. 40. 40 is obviously the bigger number. Good. So 39 and 42, it's definitely the bigger number. Remember, Mr. Crocodile loves to eat the bigger number. And he goes and he eats it. So technically, and remember, less than is the left-hand salute, left-hand salute. So 39 is less than 42. Now, you might have a particular option here. You might be given options and something like this. 206 is, and you don't know, let's put it this way. 206 is less than, and you don't know. And option A is 201. Option B is 210. Option C is 204. Okay? Now, and they say this. Now, 206 is, what sign is this? Remember, left-hand salute is less. So that means less. That means 206 is smaller. You're looking for the number that is bigger than 206, because 206 is smaller than what number? So which number is 206 smaller than? Is it 201? No, it's not smaller than 201. It's bigger than 201. So it's not this guy. Is it 210? 206 is smaller than 210. Yeah, then it's this guy. But let's be sure. Is it this guy? Is it 204? No, 206 isn't smaller than 204. So this is out of it. Your correct number is 210. Why? Because 206 is less than, left-hand salute, smaller than 210. Okay? So we're going to do one more. Then I will trust that you would have gotten or be more sure of this concept, because it is very, very easy. Okay, so let's see. 355 is greater than what number? A, 362. B, 325. C, 314. So now remember, say 355 is what? What sign is this? Is this the greater than sign or the less than sign? Less than is the left hand salute, so it's not this. So greater than the right hand salute, so that means greater than is bigger, right? So which is it bigger than? This is bigger, and this is smaller. Okay, same thing as greater and less. Okay, so now look at this. Definitely, this is bigger. So they're looking for the number it is bigger than. Right? Good. So they're looking for the number it is bigger than. Now, let's look at the first one. 362. Is this bigger, greater than 362? No, it can't be. It's not. No. Is it bigger than 325? Yes, it's bigger than 325. Let's check this. Is it bigger than 364? Nope. It's not bigger. It's less, so it's not this. We're looking for what it is greater than, what it is bigger than. So this is not it. So your answer is 325. Okay, good. I hope you got that, right? That's pretty simple if you ask me. Okay, good. Now, let's do one thing that usually might confuse one is if you go with numbers that are, well, kind of close. Okay, let me use 200, 207, 206, 222, 245. So how do you know which is bigger? You know place values, right? So if you go this unit, tens, hundred. So when you go 10, 10, 10, that you go with 100. They're all 200, so they're all within. So how do you know which is bigger? So if you're arranging in from the smallest to the biggest, so which is the smallest number here? You look at this 0, 0. This will be the smallest numbers between these two. These ones will be the biggest number. So let's go to then you go to the units. This is smaller because 7 is bigger than 6, so 6 is the smallest number. So this is the smallest number, 206, followed by 207, followed by, then you go back to this ones, you look at the tens, 2 and 4. 2 is smaller than 4, right? So it will be this guy, 222, then 245. So once you understand your place value, you shouldn't have any issues with greater than, less than. Remember, greater than is your right hand salute. That's the hand you write with. Less than is the left hand salute. Okay? Now that's it. Or remember the crocodile. The crocodile goes for the bigger number. Okay. If you have any questions, just let me know. Peace.